Growing on social media today is harder than ever. Whether you're a creator, business owner, musician, gamer, or freelancer, getting views, followers, and engagement can feel impossible without spending months or even years. That's why platforms like GoUpSocial are becoming popular. But here's the big question. Is GoUpSocial actually useful or just another risky SMM panel? In today's video, I'll show you exactly what GoUpSocial is, how it works, what services it offers, the pros and cons, pricing, safety concerns, and whether you should use it for your social media growth.
GoUpSocial is a social media marketing platform, also known as an SMM panel. The platform provides services like Instagram followers, TikTok views, YouTube subscribers, Facebook likes, Spotify streams, Telegram members, and many more social media engagement services. To create an account on GoUpSocial, you need to fill in these details: username, email address, Skype, WhatsApp number, password. Confirm. Password. Complete the CAPTCHA. Verification. Click Sign Up. Interruption. Adding balance is simple. Just click the Add Funds button directly from your dashboard and choose the amount you want to deposit. GoUpSocial supports multiple secure payment methods, including credit cards, cryptocurrency, and bank transfers. Find the New Order section in the dashboard and then click on New Order. Choose what you want to buy, for example, Instagram followers, YouTube views, TikTok likes, Facebook, engagement. For example, I will choose Instagram and then wait for the orders. Instagram. Resell SMM services at a markup buy services at wholesale pricing and charge clients more. Example, you buy Instagram follower growth for $20, you sell it for $50 to $80. Your profit is the difference. Popular services, Instagram growth, TikTok engagement, YouTube views / watch time, Spotify promotion, Telegram / Discord, growth Facebook page, engagement. Good target clients, local businesses, influencers, DJs / artists, e-commerce stores, real estate. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Would you try an SMM panel like GoUpSocial? And if you want more videos about social media growth, marketing tools, and online business strategies, stay tuned.